Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into something very exciting, how to track top traders in Solana meme coins using a Telegram bot. If you're interested in crypto, trading bots, or staying ahead in the market, stick around. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional bot notifying you of a big Solana trade in real time. So guys, let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your desk screener, deskscreener.com. So let's click on it. Once it opens, let's use ACT, AI Prophecy, as an example, the third one here. Now you have to scroll down. Sorry, you have to touch, we are on info. Now if you want to see the top traders here, touch charts plus transaction, the second one here. We are on chat plus transaction. Then here, can you see here where we have transactions, top traders, snipers, holders. So all you need to do is to touch top traders. When you touch top traders, okay, these are the top traders on ACT. The first person bought is $620K and sold for $3.7 million. The second person bought with $258K and sold for $2.1 million. So this third person $1.1 million and he sold for 2.9 million. So any of them you want to track their wallet, all you need to do is to click on this arrow pointing up and wait for it to verify and open. Verification successful. Then once it opens, this is the person's wallet here. Yeah, the one at the top is the person's wallet. So let's copy it. And if you want to see the current holding of the person, you can actually touch here to see he's holding Pops, he's holding Lingian, he's holding Fob, Queen of England, and Happy Cards. Go back. And we have copied this wallet. Now we want to make use of the bot. We want to add his wallet to the bot. So we have to click on this Ray Silver bot. When you touch it, it will open. You have to touch start. Then it will ask this reboot is overloaded and you will see delays and missed notifications. Please switch to one of the new bots. I always ignore this. You can just ignore or you switch. For me, I'll click continue here because it's not actually giving me issue. Now, if you want to track if you want, you will remember we'll copy the wallet address. All you need to do is to click on add. Then great, you can now add multiple wallets at once. Simply send me each wallet address on a new line. If you would like to assign a nickname, maybe 40 characters maximum, to any wallet, add it after a space following the wallet address. For example, so let's assume you want to track my wallet, and when you paste my wallet and maybe you want to differentiate to know each person's wallet, to know, and maybe you want to use name to know the person's wallet, that is just something to demarcate each wallet. Let's assume you want to track my wallet. So if you paste my wallet, you will just put Imelda or Chisom by the side. So that's just it. So this wallet we copied now. Let's just you touch it because because you can actually demarcate them with the name, but I don't know their name. So because this person bought with 258K and sold for $2.1 million, I'll save his name with that. Do you get? So I'll paste. See, wallet added successfully. So Whenever this person buys any coin here, you'll be getting the notification here. You'll be getting the notification here under here. Every coin this person buys and sells, you'll be getting it here. Do you get? So, and if you want to add more wallets, you can actually go back any wallet, even if you want to track my own wallet. I know I'm not a whale, but even if I want to track your fellow anybody's wallet, just to monitor the coins they buy. Some people used to change wallet at a time. When they notice people are tracking their wallet, they will change a particular wallet they're using to trade. So just have to know how you are doing your own thing. Then let's check the menu and see what they have. If you want to add addresses, you can always touch add, this second one to add. Then if you want to delete a particular wallet you are tracking, just use the delete address. Then if you want to show all the addresses you are tracking, just click on show addresses. Then web app, backup bots, premium subscription. And that is it, guys. We now have fully functional bots that tracks top Solana traders on Memecoins and alerts you on Telegram in real time. Remember to customize the threshold and filters based on the type of trades you want to follow. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.